Hello everyone! Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you the best selfie tricks ever, 4 times better. Okay, so first and foremost, please subscribe to my channel, Photos Make Money, and click the bell icon so you'll have a new video when I release them. Okay, are you ready? Okay, everyone's making selfie, of course. So first and foremost, you need the equipment. Camera, obviously. So you can have an Android or iPhone or anything. As long as first you need to have a selfie camera facing, or a front end there. Then you can get a selfie. Okay, I'll get mine. See? There you go. So, aside from the camera, anyone has them. So the next thing you consider is lighting. For me, I think I have a good lighting as long as you can be seen, of course. You don't want to take selfie, in the dark. I mean, who's gonna see you, right? I mean, unless it's like Halloween or you want to scare people. Well, anyway, obviously, it's well lighted. Anyone can see you in a good light. Next to consider is angles. Okay, actually, it pays to know what's your best angle. Some people have better angles in the right, others are in the left. So it's up to you to practice. And the best thing about phones these days is that you can practice modern technology practice, and if you don't like it, you can always delete it. No pressure, no commitment, and gone are the days that you need a camera before that you need a film, and if it's not good, and oh my god, I wasted my film. So better today. You're very lucky to have these selfie cameras. Next is selfie stick. I don't have a selfie stick right now, but it's used to have a balance of both. So example, when you go travel to other countries, so to minimize the shake and to see all the background behind you, so at least you get to balance your phone there, and you just have to click and there are selfie sticks with camera. So it's very handy, very convenient, and I think it's not that expensive, and it's really worth your investment, especially when you're alone and you want to take selfies and you're in a foreign country or visiting, or you're a tourist. So it's so that you don't have to disturb other tourists. Hey, can you take my photos? I mean, sometimes you're shy or you don't want to bother people, and just to be safe, of course, you don't want to entrust your camera to others. So just put there and then click anywhere you like. Now and then the last one would have to be be presentable. So when I say that be presentable, doesn't mean you have to pile on makeup and jewelry and all that just to have the perfect selfie. So actually, be presentable is like just look nice. Being nice means whatever standards that you have, clean, especially clean surroundings. For me, I think I have clean, meaning not messy room. So because you don't want to be that girl in the viral video that it became viral not because of you as the subject, but because of your background. I think there's someone before, girl with a messy room and underwear scattered on the floor. I mean, of course, you don't want to get famous for wrong reasons. So that's it, guys. So first, of course, everyone has camera, proper lighting. At least you can see yourself in a good light. Angles, angles like you don't want to put your camera below you because you look like have double chin. Just practicing all your best angles if you think you look better that way, or like that, put your camera below you or front, or at least you know how to angle your face. And selfie stick for balancing. It's like a mini tripod. You can selfie take photos wherever you are. And the last is be presentable, because I know that when you selfie, you want to share it with your friends, with others. So at least you present yourself and show to the world, "Yeah, this is me." And even though this is a selfie, It's good as can be. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel, Photos Make Money. And if you want more tips on how to make money with photos, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll have a new video when I release it.